Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your EBT card on Amazon. First, log in to your Amazon account. Then go to the top right corner and click Accounts and List. And click Account. From there, select your payments. Next, click Add a Payment Method. Scroll down until you see the option to add EBT card and click on it. Now, carefully enter the name on your card and your card number. Make sure all information is correct before saving. Once added, you can use your EBT card to purchase groceries or SNAP eligible items on Amazon. When shopping, look for the SNAP EBT eligible label on products. Add the items to your cart and at checkout, select your EBT card as the payment method. And that's it. That's how to add your EBT card on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.